you really need to know the alphabets of the language you want to learn. So I'm assuming you all know how to read Hindi alphabets. If you do not know, then I suggest you to see my videos on Hindi alphabets. I have provided the links of these videos in the description below. If you also know how to read simple words, then it will be very helpful for you to learn Hindi. Now let's start. We use simple present tense to describe routine या फिर कोई permanent situation या फिर कोई universal truth. जैसे नदी बहती है, river flows is a truth. Now what are the rules for a sentence to be in सामान्य वर्तमान काल? Sentence ends with either of these words. These are Hindi words for do and does. Now how to pronounce them? Do not read them as ta, ti or te. This is ta, ती, ते, हूँ, हो, है, हैं. Now the general format to write a sentence in Hindi is subject, object and verb. And we use karak to join subject to object to verb. I have uploaded separate videos on karak. I will provide their links in the description as well. Please see them for better understanding of Hindi sentence structure. Now let me explain how to use the verbs. These are the suffixes you will be adding to the verb, depending on what the subject is. So if your subject is singular male, then you will be adding ta hai to the verb. If your subject is singular female, you will add ti hai. And if your subject is plural, or sometimes even if the subject is singular but you want to show the respect towards the subject because the subject is elder than you, then for the male you use te hain. And for the female, you use ti hain. And for I, which means main, for boy or male, we use ta hoon. And for female, we use ti hoon. And in the case of you, means tum. For male, we use te ho. And for female, we use ti ho. This is the vocabulary I used for these sentences. Let me read them for you. Padh, kha, ga, khana, ja, bana, Vidyalay, Phal. Now remember subject, object and verb structure. These are the subjects and these are objects. We do not have any object here and here because the verb is a karma kriya. I hope you know what is a karma kriya, else please see my videos on verbs. So these are the verbs. Now if I is male, तो sentence होगा मैं पढ़ता हूँ. And if I is female, तो sentence होगा मैं पढ़ती हूँ. Now in this next example, I hope you know when to use आप or तुम. Otherwise, please see my videos on how to use pronouns. So, if you is a male, the sentence is तुम गाते हो. Or if you is a female, तो sentence होगा तुम गाती हो. In this sentence, for male, वे विद्यालय जाते हैं. And for female, वे विद्यालय जाती हैं. Here subject is plural, so हम फल खाते हैं. Verb के साथ आपने ऐड किया है ते हैं. Here subject is singular female, so verb के साथ में आपने ऐड किया है ती हैं because subject is someone elder than you and you want to show respect. So ती हैं. माँ खाना बनाती हैं. Here are some more examples. Practice them for better understanding.